What's up, YouTube? My name's Justin. I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. In this video, I'm talking about dunk tanks and how you can spruce it up a little bit to get more money with the same basic dunk tank. So it's Halloween, so I took a whole bunch of spider webs and just put it right on there. It was literally one bag or half a bag, and just put it on the front of the dunk tank. Gives it that little extra pizzazz. Then I got the clown here. It's an extra upsell compared to the just basic yellow background. I don't even use it as an upsell, I just give it as a different option. This way there's more reasons for the dunk tank to go out. Notice the QR code with the information and my logo there. But yeah, versatility. Get different stuff to make the same dunk tank go out more. Follow me for more tips and tricks, and make sure you subscribe. Check out the next video and be safe, everybody.